Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how you can turn on and customize Always on Display. And the first, you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and get application name Muviz Edge. We are going to use external application because in this smartphone we cannot find Always on Display as a default feature. So take a look when you go for the settings and for example for the home screen and wallpapers or display, there's no Always on Display feature, as you can see, unfortunately. So we are going to use this application, and when the download is finished we can open it. Right now tap to record audio, click allow, and then tap on this feature to draw over apps. Click on this feature, then go back, and also enable overlay mode. So next, tap to get started and click on the right bottom corner of AOD screens. As you can see, there's the first theme. When you swipe on the right, you get the second. I'm going to take this one, so click apply and tap on the settings to customize. As you can see, at the first we can change show on the lock screen, so we can go for the while charging, on music, or get it always. Close after a single tap. We can also close after using fingerprint. We can change brightness, screen timeout, notifications. So let's enable them from this menu. So tap on the switcher, click allow. We can also control music as always. We can show date and show status of our battery also always. Right now when you are going to lock our screen, after a few moments we will get Always on Display. When we tap once, we will be moved to the lock screen and we can use, for example, fingerprint sensor to unlock our smartphone. So as you can see, that's how we can turn on and customize Always on Display in TCL 25G, and honestly in any other smartphone without Always on Display feature. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.